Hi guys, how are you? My name is Anthony, and today I'm here to talk to you all about this new product called Nexaslim. So, if you really want to know more about Nexaslim and all its truth, I'm going to tell you everything and all the relevant details. I want to talk about some very important warnings about Nexaslim, so I suggest you pay close attention and watch this video to the end. And to help you, let's get to the important points you need to know about Nexaslim. First of all, I'd like to say that I've had access to the manufacturer's official website, and I'll leave it below in the description of this video. Guys, a lot of people are asking online what Nexaslim is, how it works, and if it's really good, if it's really worth it. So, the answer is yes, Nexaslim is the best natural treatment on the market today. And you've probably been in this situation. You want to lose weight, you start going to the gym, and it takes time to lose weight. It takes time to get good results. That's discouraging for anyone. That's why Nexaslim is here to help you. If you want to lose fat or extra pounds, Nexaslim really helps the overall process. Nexaslim is the #1 ketosis treatment on the market. A powerful fat-burning ketone, BHB, has been modified to produce an instant, natural fat-burning solution. Nexaslim is an innovative weight loss pill that is committed to helping people lose weight with the minimum of effort. With the essence of apple cider vinegar and the principles of the ketogenic diet, Nexaslim is designed to increase energy levels, amplify metabolism, release fat reserves, and stimulate the body to use fat as its main source of energy instead of carbohydrates, and finally lose weight. But Nexaslim has more benefits than just helping you lose weight. Nexaslim will help you detoxify your body by eliminating all impurities and pollutants from your body. You know, it will detoxify you and also make your face and body slimmer in a healthy way. What's more, it helps control anxiety, which is one of the main causes of accelerated weight gain. Nexaslim is in capsule form and is easy to swallow, so you don't have to worry because it is completely natural, which means it has no side effects or contraindications. It is completely safe for you to take, and something that has really increased customer confidence is that Nexaslim is FDA approved and GMP certified. So, guys, Nexaslim really works, and you can trust this product. But you should only buy it through the manufacturer's official website that I left in the first link of the description. In fact, you can read people's comments on the manufacturer's website. There are people who go there and write about their success stories with Nexaslim. You have to remember that Nexaslim is a natural product, so of course your body won't give you instant results. There are no magic capsules, so bear that in mind. But once you start taking the treatment, I recommend that you start correctly and take the treatment recommended by the manufacturers. The recommendation is at least 3 to 6 months of treatment to get the best results. You only need to take 2 capsules a day. Don't forget that it's very important not to skip days. I recommend the kit with 3 to 6 bottles of the product so that you can get the results more quickly and effectively. Another good thing about Nexaslim is that it offers a 60-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the results. What you need to do now is go to the manufacturer's official website. And if you regret it, contact the support team and ask for a refund. Simple as that. They trust the product so much that they guarantee that if it doesn't work, they'll give you all your money back. So you have nothing to lose. I hope you're really successful, just like thousands of customers, and don't need a refund because you'll see great results as soon as possible. The official website has an extra bottle bonus, so if you want to lose weight in a healthy way, click on the link in the video description. Bye.